How to add a clickable link in Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link that's clickable in your Instagram post. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right and go to any post that you would like to add the clickable link to. As you can see that I have added this link in my post, but I'm not being able to copy this. Now to be able to use this as a clickable link, open up your Google Chrome and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account through Google Chrome. If not, just type in instagram.com, it will show you this site, get logged into your account. Tap on three dot icon on your top right and check the box that says desktop site. And finally, you will see this page. Now zoom into your account and tap onto your profile. It will show you this page. Tap onto the post that you have added clickable links to. Now here's what you need to do. Long tap onto the link that you added and tap on Open. This is the only way you can use clickable links in your Instagram account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.